What up, Money Gang? Happy Thursday. You know it's all about us women this month, and we about to get into these women empowerment tumblers and friendship tumblers that I made for our women empowerment gathering. Let's get into it.
It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show.
What up, fam? Yes, we are about to do some sublimation on some tumblers today, y'all. Here are the tumblers. Y'all normally, y'all, the information in the description box. And y'all already know you girl got them from Amazon. Now, what I do use on this when making tumblers is heat transfer tape, scissors, my heat press. I set that at 385, and when I press it for 50 seconds twice. This already have the tumbler already wrapped because I did have to do a total of 4. So that one is already wrapped. And we about to go ahead and wrap this one so y'all can see from the beginning to end. Now, if you are new to my channel, first, thank you for clicking on Little On Me. And I hope you enjoyed this video enough to click that subscribe button and that bell so you can know each and every time your girl drop a video. But if you want to see me also make tumblers in a slower motion, just let me know in the description, in the comments, or you can also go back and check out one of my older videos. Alright, so fam, I ain't gonna talk your head off too much on this video because I did talk your head off in my last 2 videos. And don't worry, if you are new, I will be back in front of the camera starting next week because y'all, it is Pisces season and it's my baby birthday week coming up, so I'm going to bring y'all some special footages for something he did in his school and how we celebrate his 23rd birthday. So y'all be on the lookout for that, and I'm going to be back in the front of the camera. I know it's been a minute, but I've been behind the scenes, but y'all, that's how busy we've been. We've been working, and I have so much footage that I haven't been able to bring out to y'all, showing y'all my craft. Alright, so fam, if you was wondering what brand is sublimation that I'm using, I actually use, this is HTV Runt sublimation paper. Yes, y'all, HTV Runt does actually have sublimation as well. And they have a new sublimation machine. And now I'm trying my heart is not to get it, y'all. I'm like, for real. Y'all know I love to spend money, and we can't do that this year. We all about saving and growing and not just spending money on things we don't need. But best believe it's on the wish list, Santa list, the need list, all lists. Okay, y'all. So right here, I was struggling with getting this over the tumbler, and I'm gonna tell you why. If whenever you order tumblers off Amazon, they're not bad tumblers, but they are different size for some reason. Even though the descriptions or the details will say a 20-ounce skinny tumbler, they are either some of them are wider than others, and some of them can be taller. And as y'all know, I don't have a sublimation printer, so I was the young lady that does print all of my prints for me. She was just using my normal size of some other tumblers that I did have previous to buying these ones. So just a quick tip, if you are one of my subscribers that is in sublimation or wanting to start sublimating, just remember anytime you order an item, just make sure that the sizes are correct, because I was struggling with it and I got it done though, but still, it was hard. So I just wanted to give y'all that tip. But yeah, Money Gang, I'm gonna get ready to head on out. I really appreciate y'all support each and every week. If you are new, if you haven't done so, please go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can know each and every time I do drop a video. I will be back Tuesday, and we're gonna be celebrating my big boy 23rd birthday. And big shout out to all the women that I did shout out in this video. I just want to tell y'all, keep doing what you're doing. You got this, no matter how many falls and it bumps in the road. Running a business, being a content creator each and every day is not easy. But keep going, reach your goals, and keep God first. Just keep praying on it no matter what nobody say. You know what your dreams are. Keep reaching for them. And I love y'all. Have a wonderful weekend and enjoy tomorrow, which is National Women Empowerment Day. So go be empowered, Show a woman, shout out another female, anything, something. Just show love. Just embrace love into the world. Love y'all. I'm out. I hope y'all enjoyed this video.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna...
Money making, it's the money making, it's the money making money show. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making money show.